Hi guys, this is Gayatri here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to recreate this look of Kareena Kapoor Khan. And this is how it looks. So let's get started. Hello everyone. I have already cleansed, toned and moisturized my face. And to start with, I'm using argan oil from Nykka to prime my face. Just a few drops and spread it. Next, I'm using a concealer from MAC in shade number NW35. With the help of a flat concealer brush, I'll be applying it to all the dark areas on my face, like the dark circles and corner of my lips. Next, I'm using liquid foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in shade number 128 and 230. I have mixed both the foundations in equal quantity and applying it with a flat kabuki brush. After applying the entire quantity all over my face, I will be blending it to even it out with the help of a damp beauty sponge. The beauty blender I'm using is from Sephora. You can use any other brand, but make sure you dampen it before you use. Next, I will be contouring my face using dark concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal in shade Beautiful Bronze. I am applying it with a concealer brush and blending it out with this type of a toothbrush makeup brush. I have contoured the sides of my nose, the sides of my cheeks and my jawline. I'll be spreading this brush over my forehead to give it a light contour. Now I will be setting the makeup by using compact from MAC Studiofix in shade number NC35. With the help of a powder brush, I'm just slightly dabbing it all over my face and polishing it with a round motion. To start with eye makeup, I'm using Eyebase from MAC and spreading it all over my eye socket. The Eyebase from MAC is in shade Painterly and I'm dabbing it with a damp beauty sponge. Next, I'm using bronze eyeshadow from Morphe 35F palette, and with the help of a flat eyeshadow brush, starting from the inner corners, I will be applying the bronze eyeshadow on half of my eyeball. Next, I'll be applying matte eyeshadow in orangish shade from the same palette to create the crease line and blend it out with the help of a blending brush. Next, I will be darkening my outer corners with the help of a dark brown shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. With the help of a flat shader brush, I will be applying the dark brown shade on the outer corners. You can apply 3 to 4 coats of dark brown shade depending on how dark you want them. Now with the help of a small blending brush, I will be blending out the edges to give it a softer look. Next, I'm using Kajal pencil from Revlon and filling my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line. With the help of a smudger, I will be smudging it out to give it a softer look. Smudging out also ensures your kajal doesn't spill off. Next, I will be setting the kajal with the help of a black eyeshadow from Huda Beauty palette with the help of a flat shader brush, so that it gives you more intense look. Next I'll be using Deep Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills to do my eyebrows with the help of this flat angular brush. The shade I'm using here is in Ebony as I have darker eyebrows, and I'm blending it out with the help of a mascara brush. To highlight my eyebrow bones, I'm using Eyeshadow from MAC in shade Nylon. With the help of a small blending brush, I'm applying it all over my eyebrow bone. As you can see in the picture, she has also highlighted her forehead just above the eyebrows. I will be doing the same with the same shade and blend it out with the highlighter brush. Dragging the highlighter brush over my nose bridge. For blush, I'm using Beach Tint from Becca in shade Guava to give my cheeks a very floral pinkish base color. You can also use any lip color in shade Pink to create this base and blend it out with a beauty sponge. To intensify this blush, I'm using blusher from Oriflame in Pink and blending it out with a blusher brush. For lip color, I'm using lip pencil from Color Bar in shade Creamy Nude 006. Outlining the borders of my lips, I will be filling the entire lip with the same pencil. The nude lip color I'm using is from MAC in shade Kinda Sexy. Now I'm using mascara from Lakme Iconic. Next I will be putting on fake lashes from Euro Paris in number 59, and to stick it on I'm using clear lash glue from Ardell. Next I will be pressing my fake eyelashes and natural lashes with the help of an eyelash curler. Setting my under eyes with the same compact we've used before, and highlight my cheekbones with the same highlighter. Now I'll be putting on a red bindi and sindoor to give it a final touch. And here is the final look. I have spotted a similar looking sari and a neck piece to recreate the look that Kareena is sporting. I hope you guys liked my tutorial. Please do let me know in the comments section, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. I have listed all the products I've used in the below description box. You can also find me and my work on Instagram and Facebook. The links I have provided in the description box. Bye bye.